All right, this is lesson 3.4, the practice packet. We're on pages 6 and 7. So these are two-step equation word problems. We'll be writing the word problem, solving it, and then also including a label. Harold bought 2 pairs of the same sandals. He also bought a pair of socks for $3. So also $3. How much did each pair of sandals cost if Harold spent a total of $31? So that's my equals number. 2 pairs of the sandals are going to get the X, and then the pair of socks for $3. Subtract the 3 from both sides. I'm going to get 2x equals 28. Divide through by 2 on both sides, and x is equal to 14. So it's $14 per pair of sandals is my label then. Take a look at number 2. Jessica added 120 to 1/3 of a number. So 1/3 of a number, which we don't know x, for a result. So this is my equals number 200. So we have 120 got added to 1/3 of a number, and that gives us 200 then. Subtract the 120 from both sides, and we have 1/3 x is equal to 80. To undo this, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3 over 1, or just 3. So x is equal to 240. So 240 is the number. For question number 3, Hugo received $100 for his birthday. He was mowing lawns and was saving $20 per week. So that happened more than once until he had a total, here's my equals number, of $460 to buy a 3D printer. Use an equation to show how many weeks it took him to save the money. So he started off with $100 and he was saving $20 per week, and that's going to equal 460. I just used the variable W, but you could use an X. It doesn't really matter. Subtract 100 from both sides, and we're going to get 20W is equal to 360. Divide through by 20 on both sides. Zeros cancel off, and 36 divided by 2 is 18. So W represents 18 weeks then. Number 4, a health club charges a $50 initial fee plus $2 for each visit. Mazel has spent a total, it's my equals number, of $144 at the health club this year. So it's the $50 fee plus $2 for every visit, and that gives her her equals number of 144. Subtract away the 50. You get 2x equals 94. And then 94, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides, and we get x equals 47. So x represents the number of visits, so that's going to be 47 visits to the health club. Question number 5. A baseball bat and 3 baseballs cost $166.41. This is my equals number. The bat was $149.91, so we're getting the bat at $149.91 plus 3 baseballs, and that's going to total us to $166.41. So what's the cost of 1 baseball? Subtract the $149.91 from both sides, and I'm going to use my calculator. $166.41 minus $149.91. That's going to give me 16.5, and that's going to equal 3B. So I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides, and divide 16.5 divided by 3, I get 5.5, but I am talking about money here, so I'm going to put a dollar sign on this and put a 0 at the end so it looks like money. So it's going to be $5.50 per baseball. Question number 6, Raymond buys bottles of water at $2.80 each and 1 large pizza at $14.99. And large pizza, so we're getting multiple of these. These will get the X. Total cost, so there's my equals number. So we have 280x for the water bottles plus $14.99 for the pizza, and his total was $20.59. So I'm going to subtract the $14.99 and 2.80x, so $20.59 minus the $14.99 is going to give me 5.6. So we'll divide by 2.8. And x is going to equal 2. And so it says how many bottles of water? So 2 bottles of water is my answer then for number 6. For number 7, Mrs. Grabner pays a flat rate of $52 per year for a gym membership, and she pays an extra $350 for each class she takes at the gym. So this is kind of like that one before. Here's your flat rate, plus we do this for each class. So that's going to get the X, and my total was $146.50. So $52 plus 350X is equal to $146.50. Subtract away that $52 then, that's the initial fee. And we have 350X is equal to 146.50 minus 52, which will give us 94.5. And I'm going to divide by 350. And X then is equal to 27. And X represents how many classes that I took. So 27 classes. Question number 8, you want to join the tennis team. You go to the sporting goods store with $100. The tennis racket you want costs $80, and the tennis balls are $4 per can. How many cans of tennis balls can you buy? So this is going to get our X, because we're going to buy one racket and then multiple cans of the tennis balls. Our 100 is our equals number, because that's how much we have. So we're going to get $4 cans of tennis balls at X, a number of them, plus $80 for the racket is going to add me up to my $100 total. So I'm going to subtract that 80 from both sides. 4X is equal to 20. So I'm going to divide through by 4. And I get X equals 5. And remember, X represented how many cans of the tennis balls. So we would say 5 cans of tennis balls. Question number 9, Sandy had $140 from babysitting her cousins. She also earned $40 per day. Well, it sounds like that's going to be getting the X, babysitting her neighbor's kids over the summer. Her total money was $740 that month. How many days did she watch her neighbor's kids? All right, so we're going to go ahead and set up our equation on this one. Her $140 plus $40 per day. Her total money earned, which is her equals numbers, are $740 then. We're going to go ahead and subtract 140. And we're going to get 40X equals 740 minus 140 is going to give you 600. And if we go ahead, divide through by 40, we get X equals 15. So our answer with a label, how many days did she watch her neighbor's kids? So she watched them for 15 days. Question number 10, Kim, Kyle, and Kate contribute the same amount to their father's birthday gift. Their older sister contributes $12. How much does Kate contribute if the total of all their contributions is $30? So this is your equals number. Their older sister contributes 12, and 3 of them, Kim, Kyle, and Kate, all contribute the same amount. So that's going to be listed as 3X. We're going to go ahead and subtract 12 on both sides. We get 3X equals 18. Divide through by 3, and then X equals 6. So it's going to be $6 contributed.